I have some very easy DIY Christmas ornaments and one other interesting thing. So let's get started. Number 1, a 3D Christmas tree ornament. The supplies needed are 2 Dollar Tree wooden Christmas trees, X-Acto knife, wood glue, green acrylic paint, white acrylic paint, and a wood stump that they sell at Dollar Tree. This is a simple DIY. So you take the wooden Christmas tree and cut it down the middle. The other one you're going to leave the same. You're going to use wood glue and adhere it to the solid tree on both sides. Once it is dry, you just paint it green and flick some white paint all around the tree to give it the appearance of snow. You're going to glue the stump to the bottom and take a piece of jute and thread it through the opening at the top, and there you have it, a 3D Christmas ornament. You can set it on the table or you can hang it on the tree. It's your choice. What Would You Make is an open invite by host OK at Home DIY and Connie's Creative Creations. The guest host is Repurpose My Way. These are super women and can DIY various projects such as painting, thrift flips, and just creating about anything that you can think. Now please subscribe to these amazing crafters. Like, save, and comment. The link to their channels is in the description box below. There are other collaborators to follow, so check them out and see what they've made, and the link to the playlist is listed below. On to DIY number 2. This is a wooden star ornament, also from Dollar Tree. The supplies needed include 1 wooden star, painter's tape, gold glitter, Mod Podge, and ribbon. Now this ornament is a little glam and very pretty, and unless you're making several, it takes no time at all. I chose to leave the top part of the star plain wood and leave the bottom part gold with glitter. I used painter's tape to tape off the top part of the star. Then I put Mod Podge on the bottom and sprinkled glitter on the bottom until it was covered. And then, after it was dry, I applied Mod Podge over the glitter to avoid shedding. And I hung it on the tree with ribbon, and so pretty. DIY number 3 is a painted tree wood round ornament. Supplies needed include 1 wood round, green acrylic paint, a paintbrush, some white acrylic paint, and a toothbrush for creating, a free template, pencil or pen, and red jewels. I found a paper tree that came on a package that I had purchased, and so I decided to keep it without knowing what I was going to do with it. You know how us crafters are. We just kind of save everything until we run out of room, then we gotta give stuff or throw stuff away. I liked the tree and I thought, this would be really good around this time of the year. So I picked a wood round that would accommodate the tree and traced it on the wood. Then I began filling the tree around the sides and then in the middle. And then I used the toothbrush to flick snow on the tree and then place a few red jewels on the tree. It looks so good. Check out my tree and maybe I will make another one. But if you make one, I'd love to see what you make. DIY number 4, a wood believe bead wreath. Supplies needed include a bead wreath from Dollar Tree. They had one on wire, beads already on it. I was like, wow, this is good. A believe sign. And this sign was given to me by a person that sent me my napkins. So you'll see that in my napkin DIY. A barbecue skewer, cream organza wire ribbon, and some champagne colored ribbon from Dollar Tree, and some pearls. You know, girls always got to have some pearls. So this is so elegant but so simple that anyone can make it. The first thing to do is determine how you want things to look. I wanted the believe sign to be in the middle, so I used wood glue to adhere it to the skewer first. Then I let it dry overnight because I wasn't going to do anything else with it that day. Once that was dry, I glued it to the bead wreath right in the middle. Then it was time to make a bow. I used wire cream organza ribbon and made a bow. And this is so nice because you can bend the ribbon any old kind of way, and you don't have to worry about it not looking nice, because whichever way you bend it, it's going to look okay. And then I hung about 4 strands of the satin ribbon. I put that in the middle. And then I glued 1 pearl and some little small pearls around that pearl in the middle. And then lastly, I used the satin ribbon to make a hanger. This is so serene, but people should get the point. Believe. Remember the reason for the season that we're here. It is to think about Jesus and all that he's done for us in our lives here on this earth. That is all, Z9 Designs family. I trust you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. And remember, what wisdom can you find that is greater than kindness? This is by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. So with that, see you later. Bye-bye.